Hi, I am Samriddhi Nirola, and this is my weather application built for Prototype 3. It uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. This is the home screen of my weather application that is loaded in the browser. First, the layout starts with a responsive nav bar that is showing the app title right here. And in the left corner, we can see the live date and time information. Below here, users can search for any city. Here, results are appearing in different cards with condition card, temperature card, pressure card, humidity card, and wind speed card as well, each card with visual icons. And the UI uses soft glass morphism, custom colors, and a dynamic background. Here I have shown one of the snippet of my HTML file. This is the input field and button that lets user search for a city. When clicked, it triggers JavaScript function, this JavaScript function, and it fetches weather data from the PHP backend. These displayed lines from weather3.js file helps us to fetch weather data from PHP backend. So if we are online, the app fetches live data from PHP backend, and it also stores it in local storage under any key like weather, city. This saves the data for offline usage, and this also helps to speed up future searches as well. Now, if we navigate to browser dev tools, then we navigate to application, then local storage. Here we can see the stored data which is displayed right here in the local storage. Now, to show offline cache demonstration, I will turn off my Wi-Fi. Then I'll search for a city that was cached earlier. So now, with the Wi-Fi turned off, if I search for Missouri, which I previously visited, first it shows an alert message saying you are offline, loaded cache data. Then the app loads the data instantly from the local storage. That proves that it works offline as well. Now this is another snippet from PHP file. So on the backend, PHP checks if recent weather data exists in the database. If it does not, it fetches fresh data from OpenWeatherMap and it inserts into MySQL database. Also, if we want to view how PHP is fetching weather data, then if we search connection.php here, then the PHP script is fetching latest weather data from MySQL database and it is returning it in JSON format. For now, the default city was assigned to me as Biratnagar, so the data is displayed for Biratnagar. Then the front-end JavaScript reads this data, then dynamically displays the weather details on the app interface using values from JSON response. So here is my SQL table that is showing temperature, wind, humidity, and timestamps as well for each city. Now this query from PHP ensures the database only returns fresh weather data from the past 2 hours. This prevents redundant API calls and it also improves performance. So here is how the system works. First, frontend captures user input, fetches data from JavaScript, the backend PHP connects to MySQL and the OpenWeather API. Then the responses are cached in both the database and the browser for efficiency. So this app is fully responsive reliable, it works even offline. You can explore it live at this hosted link that is displayed here, and this app provides the full walkthrough. Thank you for watching.